One fine day, Robbie watches a motivational video that says, "Say yes to life. Step out of your comfort zone." Inspired, he declares, "For one whole day, I'm saying yes to everything." What's the worst that could happen, he thought. The next morning, "Can you clean the whole house today?" his mother asked. Robbie smiles, struggling with a mop that flings water everywhere. His friend calls, "Let's go for a 5 a.m. jog." Robbie shows up half asleep, panting in slow motion. And a neighbor asks, "Can you watch my dog for a few hours?" Cut to the dog pulling Robbie down the street like a sled dog. Saying yes is fun, right? Right? He thought. At the work that day, his coworker asks, "Can you cover my shift?" Robbie, in a fast food uniform, accidentally spilling drinks everywhere. Then in the evening, the street vendor, "Would you like 10 spicy samosas for free?" Robbie confidently says yes, then dramatically regrets it, mouth on fire. By evening, Robbie is exhausted, covered in sweat, flour, and dog hair. He collapses on the couch, dramatically saying, "Why did I say yes to everything?" His phone buzzes. A friend invites him to a karaoke night. Robbie pauses, thinks, and finally says, "No!" And you know what? It feels pretty good. Saying yes is important, but saying no when needed is just as powerful. Balance is the key. Not every opportunity is worth your time and energy. Life isn't about saying yes to everything. It's about saying yes to what truly matters. What's the craziest thing you've said yes to? Let me know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with a friend who might need it, and subscribe for more motivation content.